What's going on, traders? Just wanted to do a quick weekly recap video, go over some things that I've seen in the market, and just kind of give you guys an update on what's going on with me. And real quick, I just want to say thank you for over 400 subscribers. Really appreciate that. Hopefully we can get to 500 by the end of the year. I don't know if it's likely, but hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, if you want to learn more about supply and demand, and hopefully we can get to 500. Yeah, so we'll break it down. I have a couple things I wanted to show you guys here. This was a the USD Swiss franc trade that, as you can see, I had an order here. My sell limit was right here, exactly where price came up. Stop loss was above there, above these highs, and I never got filled. I don't think I was awake during this time, but clearly I wasn't filled by probably like a pip or something like that, which sucks because then this happened. Very nice drop, would have been 3-1, easy 3-1, and I should have drawn my zone like right there, probably just a little bit of a wider zone, because as you can see, this zone is small compared to this zone, right? So that's just something I've noticed, is you want to have your zones all similar size. So it should have been a little bit bigger, but you know what, whatever. At least my analysis was completely correct, and that is the most important thing about that. This is another thing. I didn't take this trade. I think I was sleeping during here, and I'm still kind of experimenting with this. But as you can see, the CAD yen over here. Oh, sorry. The CAD yen, we had a daily momentum shift, broke a supply, basically broke this one too. And a trend line. So this daily demand, very strong move away too. That's not why it was strong though. It was strong because it broke the trend line and two supply zones. That is why it was strong. It was a shift in momentum. And then I noticed on the 1 hour, actually I posted this in the group too, I think. Let me see here. This is all a lot of crap here. Never mind. But I'm pretty sure I posted it in the group. I was looking for a 1 hour zone, and if we zoom in, how do I zoom in? I'm not gonna bother. But we had a trend line break, very clean trend line break by this candle right here. And this supply zone was broken as well, which I liked. And clearly, a lot of people wouldn't notice these zones, but I've been noticing them. I've been putting in the work and realizing that these zones work very well. You actually could have drawn the zone like this. Give me a second. How do I do this? Sorry guys, I'm new to this stupid software that sucks on the Apple, but you could have drawn this like this. Probably something like that. And your risk to reward would have been a little bit better actually, but look at that. Look at the strength of that when a zone was removed and a trend line. And this zone doesn't look like this zone, right? But look how well that works. That's just something I've realized, that maybe it's not always about the move away. Maybe it's more about what it accomplishes. And here it accomplished a lot. It was in a very strong daily demand curve, and this 1 hour broke this trend line and a opposing zone. So I'm like, it's a pretty big deal when that happens, I think, according to everything that I've noticed lately with all the work I've been putting into. Here's a trade I'm in right now. If you look on the weekly here, similar picture. Didn't break a trend line, but this zone, I noticed, was very strong move away, and this supply zone was removed. And look at this reaction from the supply zone, which makes me believe that this is supply. Institutional supply. So I like this demand zone, and the reason it's drawn like that is because of this daily time frame. I wanted to include that, so I am long in there. So far it's working out pretty well. I do expect this trade to take maybe a couple weeks, but I'm in it for the long haul. So yeah, I'm in that trade right now. As far as that, there's not much else going on in the markets as far as I see, but I just wanted to show you guys all these examples and everything that's been going on. A lot of action in the group lately. I've been posting a lot of these things, so join the group. It's free, there's no charge or anything. Yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick weekly review. So hopefully that's a little bit of an eye opener for you guys, and I believe the next couple weeks there's going to be a lot of opportunities in the markets. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you Sunday for the weekly forecast. Cheers.